In America's heartland, one name stands tall in home furnishings: Nebraska Furniture Mart. The Omaha, Nebraska-based retailer is a destination for consumers from across the Midwest. The remarkable story of Nebraska Furniture Mart is the story of some remarkable business leaders. One is Rose Blumkin, known as Mrs. B, a Russian immigrant who built Nebraska Furniture Mart into a retail power with a simple philosophy: sell cheap and tell the truth. Her success attracted the interest of another legendary figure in Omaha, Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha began assembling his furniture empire in 1983 when he acquired a majority stake in Nebraska Furniture Mart. The Blumkin-Buffett partnership set the stage for more growth and more success at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Mattresses are a key category for the retailer, which operates bedding as a standalone business. Promotion is heavy. Bedding brands include Sealy, Simmons, Stearns & Foster, Tempur-Pedic, and Sutherland. Brand names are important in mattresses, the retailer says. The great prices of the bedding are another key, one that goes back to the formula established by Mrs. B and built upon by Warren Buffett. Integrity matters at Nebraska Furniture Mart. It always has, and it always will. That was a business foundation established by the Blumkin family and supported by Warren Buffett. It's a winning formula for Nebraska Furniture Mart, honored tonight as a retail giant of bedding.